Good morning, children. Welcome back once again for class. So today I will take new chapter Alice in Wonderland. Chapter 2 I will take today. Please open all of you page number 19. Page number 19. Alice in Wonderland. Chapter 2. Alice in Wonderland. So this is our chapter, okay? Alice in Wonderland. Okay, children. So it is an adventure story where there is lot of imagination, fantasy, dream, ideas and thoughts. Many things are involved in this particular story. So just before starting, we have to warm up ourselves. So I will read something here in order to warm up and also to learn some vocabularies, some meanings. Now, just you see, I am reading Alice in Wonderland. When an adventure story takes place in an imaginary land with magical creatures, it is called a fantasy adventure. So, children, just we have to know some word meaning. For example, see here it is Wonderland. See, for example, Wonderland. It is simply a place full of beautiful things. A place or a land full of wonderful things. Wonderful things. Or beautiful things. Okay, that is the meaning. Wonderland. Now, this particular Alice is a girl. It is the name of a particular girl. Next one, see, now is adventure. Adventure, you see, some type of risk taking job, adventure, or it is an excitement associated with danger. So, you can write excitement related with danger or associated. Associated with danger, or simply we can say it is a risk taking work or activity. Simply we can say risk taking activity. Okay. So, okay, next word is there. Imaginary. See, imaginary is something it is related with our imagination. Imaginary. Something which is not real, no? Not not real, it is only some thought or idea, thought, thought or idea, something like that. So it is imaginary, it is only in our thinking, or something, some type of dream we can call it. Then magical creatures, magical creatures. Magical, something having false power. Magical, which is not real, that is also not real. Not real or false power, we can say. False power, magical, not real. Then creatures, 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 is simply animal, animals and so on. Then this is a fantasy, you see down. It is imaginative dream. We can say dream. Okay. And so, children, we need to know all these terms in order to understand the story. So, in the picture here, in the page number 19, lot of many pictures have been given here, which are some are imaginative, some are in fantasy, not real. So, children, I will continue my class further. So, I think it is enough for today. So, thank you very much.